Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto YouTube channel. Inside this video, I just found a new mining project, a new mining application. So the best mining application you can earn a free token. The price will be above $1. So soon we will see exchange listing, soon we will see distribution, even about KYC, and then furthermore. So inside this video, I will talk about Overwallet. Overwallet is one of the free mining application, one of the best mining application in 2024. So if you miss ICE network, if you miss Pi network, or you failed to just complete the quiz verification of ICE network, and now you have this application. Over wallet, as you can see, you can earn free points. So with those points, you will get free token. So the token price will be above $1. Although coin market cap listing is coming, even further exchange listing, so many more things are coming in the future. So we will check inside this video how to create account, how to start with this project, how to earn daily income. Even we have different types of reward. So don't skip any part of the video. Check this video and now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about mining project, ICE network, Pi network, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, even about pre-sale projects, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video. So okay guys, you can see this is the official website of our wallet, our protocol. So make sure check the website, make sure check the white paper, even check the our wallet, all the information from its official website. So inside this video, directly we will jump to the application. I will show you how to create account, how to start with the application. But if you want to know more about this project, about this application, make sure to check its official website. Even you can check the white paper. Inside the white paper, you can get all the information about this platform. So this is earn to learn, learn to run. So application is available inside App Store, even a Google Play Store. And then if you scroll down, you can see points rewards, blockchain learning hub, ecosystem, preview, global user community. So this project has more than 5.4 million users. So already 5.4 million users joined this application. And then you can see this is the application, how you can earn. This is all your points. So according to your points, you will get free token. So each token, the price will be above $1. Okay, else. Complete mission. We have different types of mission. We have different types of quiz verification. If you complete the quiz task, you will get point. You will get reward. Okay. Make points to work. You can stake your token in here, but I don't recommend to stake your coin in here, but you can stake it. So enjoy with your friends. You can invite your friends in order to get rewards, so you and your friends will get bonus. So the link is below in description, my invitation code is below in description, even you can see on the screen. So use my invitation code, you and me both will get bonus. So okay guys, you can see this is the application of our wallet. Make sure to install it from the Google Play Store, even from the App Store, and then create account. Creating account is very simple. Simply type your email address, your password, and then my invitation code. So after that, verify your email address. So and then you will see this homepage. This is the homepage of our wallet, the mining application, the best mining application in 2024. So in the home page, you can see this is your total points. Today you earn. So daily you can complete the quiz. Daily you can earn reward. Daily you can earn points. Okay, now you can see for now I have 2100 points. And then if I scroll down, so in here you can see daily you need to click on this option. Claim now. Daily you need to click on this option. I click on this. So you can see today I just earned 200 points. Okay, now amazing. Go back. So after 12 hours, once again you need to come back and then click on the claim now option. Again, you will earn reward. Now you can see I have 2300 points. Okay, the next thing we have in here, you will get 2000 points. So 21 February we will have AMA on Facebook. If you join this, if you just ask any question, if you give any answer of the question, of course you will get 2000 points. Also if you click on this option, if you click on this, so you will have missions, different types of missions. So this is the daily quiz. If you give the correct answer, you will get 100 points. Even online meter, so you will get 2000 points. Friends code, and then we have follow us on Twitter, you will get 500 points. Upcoming mission. Okay, now if you click on this, on daily quiz, click on this. So now from here you need to complete, you need to give the answer. If you click on start today's quiz, so you can see this is the question. You need to select any of the correct answer. So after this, if you give the correct answer, you will get the 100 point. Okay, else if we go back, so if you click on this one, this is all about staking. You can stake your coin, you can stake the token, but I don't recommend you to stake your points to stake your token in here, because anytime the distributions can start, anytime we can see the listing. So further, if you click on this one, this is all your wallet, this is all your rewards. So you are the top 60%, daily reward, quiz reward, daily reward. And then if we go back to profile section, so in the profile section, you can see this is my username, email address, the language, the notification, and then further if you scroll down, you can see the website, the Twitter, Instagram, each and everything you can find inside the web, inside the application. So this is one of the easiest mining project, one of the easiest one. You don't need to do anything, but you have different types of reward, like completing the quiz. Even you have like a daily claim option, like per day you will get uh, yeah, per day you will get 2 times reward after 12 hours. After 12 hours, you can see after 11 hours 45 minutes, once again I need to come here and then click on claim now option. Again I will get points. So according to the points we will get token. Like it can be 100 to 1 ratio, it can be 100 to 10 ratio, it can be 100 to 20 ratio. We don't know about that. But soon we will see, soon we will get the updates about this project, like how many tokens we will get. So let's see, because the price will be above $1. So that's why if only we get 100 tokens, 100 coins, so it means we will get $100 for free. It means we will get $200 for free. So if you miss ICE network, if you miss Pi network, or your mining is disabled in the ICE network, so now you can start with our wallet. Overall, 5.4 million users already joined this application. Still, you are not late. Still, we are not late. You can continue the mining. This is my invitation code. Make sure install the application. Make sure to start with this project. So, okay, guys, further you can see the Twitter account. Also, you can see total followers 594,000. And then if you scroll down, you can get everything inside the Twitter. Make sure check it. Also, you can see, have you played a move to earth? So, if so, please reply with the name of the application. So this is all about the Over protocol, the Over wallet. I hope you understand this project. I hope you like this project. You can make sure to check this project. Although there are lots of mining application. So make sure check one by one, because there are lots of mining application, but some of them are the best ones, some of them just useless. Okay, this is all about Over protocol, Over wallet, the mining application, one of the best in 2024. Check this application, go with it, continue the mining. Okay guys, I hope you understand this video. Smash the like button 20 all time high. If still did not subscribe to our channel, make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. So this video is end up in here. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.